As alliance is concerned, the party is taking a call. It's I do not want to comment, but certainly they will. It won't happen what everybody talks. Certainly there will be a good decision coming up. Sorry. See, ultimately it is for the people of Goa to decide whether alliance is required or not. It's time when leaders listen to the people. The idea is that our focus should be that a good government has to be in place. I think there is no harm in Goa Forward asking Congress to make an alliance with Goa Forward. I don't think.
No problem in aligning, you are saying.
The question of aligning will be a party decision. I have given my say. I have made things certainly clear that with whom we have to have an alliance, with whom we don't have to have an alliance. Even that I have made it very clear. I have told my party that good candidates have to be given seats. Tainted leaders should not be given tickets. Now it is up to the party to take a call. The party has shown interest in taking a call, and if the party takes a good decision, I don't see any reason why somebody should have apprehension that I am not going to contest on the Congress ticket. We are born. I was a block president of the Congress party for the last 4.5 years. It was me who has kept the flag high in the assembly. Though the president may not even admit it, but I have been doing it, and I have done it sincerely, and I feel the people know about it. I don't have to keep telling that I have to do it, that I have done it, I don't have to keep telling.